Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to see the folder structure of the whole course, how the folders are going to be arranged. Organization is very important in this case because we have aeromagnetic data, a lot of analysis, we have aeromagnetic, a lot of analysis, we have GIS also integrated in one, a lot of softwares are used. So it's very important for us to organize our folders for this kind of work so that you can share it with other people to look at. In futures, you can open it in any place where in case your computer have a problem, you can able to open it and then share it with other people to see it. And that is the essence of organizing your folders so that it can be easily be shared. They should be put in only one folder, and that is what we need to try to organize it. Of course, we have the data for the whole course is here. Of course, we need a magnetic data, which is what we got. We need the radiometrics for the potassium, thorium, and uranium for the same sheet places that we're after. Of course, we also need our study area location for the minimum. This is for the longitude, and this is for the latitudes. We have the latitudes, and this is for the longitudes. So this is what we have. So now, first of all, let's try to minimize this. We'll create a folder on our desktop. I can call it RC1. I can call it any name. Then we double click on this. I'm using Windows 11. Click on this so that I can split the folder into two. Now I have two different folders, so I can move from folder to one. The first thing I will do, I need to have radiometric. After that, then I will click new folder, aeromagnetic. Of course, I need a folder where I'll put all my shape files I need for my work, so that any towns, any shape file I need, it will go inside this point. Then all my Google Earth, which are also important, the Google Earth, they should be here. Then if I have any ArcGIS project, they should be here. Then I also need that of QGIS project. We need another folder, the raster images that we also required for our spatial analysis. Of course, we need one more. We need maps for our areas. If you like, you can have a note folder where anywhere you have to put your notes, you can able to put it. So I think this is the way it should be arranged. Anything the radiometric should be inside is anything aeromagnetic to be here, the ArcGIS project, Google Earth, the maps that actually will be need for this work. I think they should be here. And that no, I think we don't need map here. Let me delete. We don't need map here since we have the ArcGIS. So we don't need the map here. So we don't need the maps for these ones. So we don't need this one. I think let me remove this and paste it here. I think I don't need this one. So I don't know where it comes from. We have aeromagnetic, ArcGIS, Google Earth, Note, QGIS project, raster image, and shape files. I think so far, I think is what we have. They will go to the radiometrics. Under that, two folder. One is called the data. Another one, new folder, which we call maps. This is all we need for this. To inside this folder, I will copy these three sheets, 1, 2, 3, copy them, and paste them here. So this is the three we have. Then for the aeromagnetic, we have this already sheet we have, which we now arrange and put inside the aeromagnetic. The same thing here, we'll create these two folder data. Under data, I'll put this one inside. Then backwork, that will create one for the maps inside this one. It's empty. And these are the folders that we have. Anything shapefile will be here, it's empty. So this what we have. Then now we have our study area. We'll copy our study area. Hold and control, copy it, then we paste it here. So let's minimize this. And this you can see all these ones are empty. This is what we have. Notice there. Raster image is empty and all the other ones are empty. And this is what we have been looking at. And that is how we organize the folder, so that in case you finish all your analysis, all you need to do is to right click, compress to zip, so that you can zip it and then share it to the other people to see after you finish your whole work. That is why it's very important, and that is what we do in this work. Organization is very, very important, so that once your work is well organized, then there will be no much problem for you to go back and check and fix other things that you want to add. You have the shape files, or you can want a lot of shape files, all the raster images. We can do a lot of interpretation on them. We can analyze it in GIS softwares, radiometrics. All our IAS montage project on the radiometric will be here. The same to aeromagnetic. This is for the ArcGIS project that we created. This is the QGIS project. We have Google Earth over here. So everything will be organized, and that is the best way of organizing your work, so that you know that yes, because in ArcGIS you may need shapefile, in QGIS you may need shapefile. That's why I put them outside, and also you can put the raster in each one of them, and that is what is very something very important for us to look into.